so much more in store for Anna and Elsa, using the special bond that they share as sisters.
Yeah, those sisters are really special and they're together.
Hey, if any of you guys out there share a special bond with someone else too, then dance and sing along with us to celebrate while we're together.
Together, it's a holiday every night.